And good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are in Lake Garda. If you haven't watched the previous video, then it was one of my best videos yet. I did my first 4,000er in the Alps, so I thought after that my feet and legs were just completely battered, so I am now chilling in Lake Garda for a few days before I head on to the Dolomites, which is the next destination. So this is where I've based myself for the last few days. So the lake is literally right on the back door of the van. In the mornings I've just been brushing my teeth and looking out here towards the lake. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go around, and they always say a little local tip: if you're going to drive around the lake, do it clockwise, because you're driving on the right hand side of the road so you can see the lake better. So we're going to go down and around and all the way up the left hand side of the lake today. So first stop, Sermione. But it is a Sunday, it is a weekend. I have a bad habit of doing these things on the weekend when everyone's out and about, so just got to accept the fact it's going to be busy. I don't know where I've ended up, but I'm down some proper tight streets. So we just stopped off on the southwest corner of Saulo. It's in its own little kind of section of the lake. So just had a quick look around, just looking at the architecture really. Nothing else really much to look here, but there's some beautiful buildings around here. Right, so that was probably about 20 seconds worth of clips, but just walked up and down the pier really. It's just shops and bars, gelato restaurants everywhere, so on we go again. Made it to Le Mans Garda, and it's already absolutely beautiful, surrounded by the mountains.
Where do they want to go?
Fuck knows how that ended up down there, but they got out. I'm going to be honest with you, I've never had that before. Kind woman just gave me a couple samples for free and it blew my head off. I think I need to get some like some lemonade or something with that, but I got a couple of little samples in the bag to take with me. Right, so it turns out that it's actually an Italian holiday tomorrow. I forgot the name already, it begins with an F, but they do the parties on separate days, so then there can be parties on different days throughout the island. So there's a party here tonight. I'm tempted just to stay here tonight, so now I'm just going to put a little bit of food in the back of the van and then decide what I want to do from there. What the fuck is going on here? So after the rock concert and the dance music, we've now got the fireworks display. I'm going to try and throw the drone up, wish me luck. person here. I ain't got a fucking clue what these songs are. Right, so that was absolute carnage. So I've got to find now somewhere to park. It's 1:45 in the morning, and there's another party going on down here, but it seems like it's just a load of young people. So I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, good morning. We are back in the van. It is Italian national holiday today, so I'm gonna save going north because a few of the shops that I want to visit are probably gonna be closed. So we're gonna go to a little lake on the northeast of Lake Garda. It looks really, really nice. Apparently it's one of the cleanest lakes in Italy. So we're gonna go check it out now. Let's go. Okay, so here we are at Lago di Ledro. These are my new Italian friends. And then we're jumping in the volleyball game. And they kindly gave me a beer, so I'm gonna jump in another game with these guys now. But this is what it's all about. Okay, so the team won 3-0. All that beach volleyball practice with Addy in Switzerland is coming in useful. So this is Lago di Ledro. Water looks amazing. It's super hot today. It's like high 30s or something. So we're gonna have a little dip now. So we just finished up getting some Italian lessons from some local Italian girls. So spent a while talking to them, just having a chat. Doesn't look like there's much going on tonight, so I'm just going to head to a spot from part for night at Lago di Ledro, see if it's free. Hopefully it is, because we're on the north side of the lake, which is where we want to exit towards the Dolomites. So that's where we're off now, and I'm going to go cook some food and just have a chilled out night. So let's go. Here we go, just cooking up a bit of dinner now. Got the chicken and peppers on the go. And we're gonna make some wraps. So that is gonna be me for tonight. Signing out, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So this is my spot. We had a bit of thunder and rain last night, but just look how beautiful that colour is in the water. Right, so we have left the lake spot, and now we are going to head on towards the Dolomites. I'm first going to visit the last spotty of a factory shop, see if I can pick up some bargains. Right, so this is the current state of affairs. The horn's been going off when we've been going around every corner. And looks like I'm going to have to do a roadside steering wheel removal and try and solve this issue. So let's go. Fuck, I haven't got a 24mm. Right, we found a garage. I bribed him with a beer Moretti and he's given me his socket, so let's get this bad boy off. Just another day in the van. Anything look missing? Oh, just a steering wheel. Basically, just wired up the wire to stop the loose connection catching, so now I'll have no horn, but at least I'll be able to drive. We hope. We are back on the move. The last sporty of the shop is now closed because we've been pissing about doing this. It's all part of the fun, so we're just going to find our way up to the mountain now, up to the top of the pass, and just find somewhere to camp tonight. After all that, can't be asked for cooking. Come on, got pizza and a beer. So I'm just going to eat this now and then get back to the van and find a parking spot. I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. So we finally made it. Okay, so I bought a t-shirt, some socks and some trekking poles, because I did use one while I was in Zermatt and it made a massive difference to my incline speeds. So we're going to go bouldering now and find our way around the mountains. We haven't got a horn, but at least the van works. God, you have no idea how nice it feels that my horn is not going off on these mountain roads. Amazing. Old fashioned. So the climbs are graded A to E, A being the easiest. So we're going to start with some easy climbs. I've had to borrow some liquid chalk because that's all they allow you to use here. Fucking liquid chalk, man. Okay, so this white problem is a B graded, looks pretty sick. And I'm now going to attempt to go to the Sella Pass, which is at 2,000 meters, so that's a 700-meter ascent in the van. Don't know if we're going to make it, but it's cool outside, so we've got the best chance possible. We're going to give it a go. If I don't get there, I'll just turn around and hike from here, but the views look even better if you can hike from the top, so we're going to give that a try now. We've got about a mile to go, and we're probably at about 1,900 meters now, coming up from 1,500, so we're nearly there. But this is the beauty of doing it at night, no one else up my ass, and there's a nice cool breeze to keep the van cool. And good morning. So I don't think there's going to be much hiking going on, but we're just at 2,240 meters. Well, it might look like I'm going hiking, but I'm not. Hiking's postponed today. There's thunder and rain and small breaks in the weather, but it's no good for hiking today. Scrap that, it's R5. We're going for a hike. The sun's eventually come out and revealed the beautiful landscape. We're just going to do a quick little hike to Col Rodela just to get a viewpoint of the area. Just going to blast it up there now. Got some carbs to burn off, and I'll see you at the top. And here we go. My first Italian peak. It's not the most impressive, but it's a peak nonetheless. We had a 3-hour weather window, so I thought I'd set it up. We've got about an hour till sunset, so I'm going to start making my way down. So we got back to the van. We're just cooking up a bit of food now. Looking like another cold night inbound. Here's my new Aussie mate next door. Yep. Gonna get to cooking now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. And good morning. So the rain has finally stopped, so we're going on a bit of a walk. Gonna see if we can get to the top of the Plattkofel. Looks pretty nice. Hopefully the weather stays like this, but it's looking absolutely beautiful.
From where we are to the top of that, how tall is that, do you think?
So we're currently 5k's in, 1 hour 20 minutes. A little bit of cloud cover coming over the top now. We're making good progress, but if you look up, you can see it's getting a little bit dark up there. So just halfway up the ascent now. How you getting on, guys?
Going good.
It's going good. You probably can't see it, but there's a little cross, so that's where we're going next. I'll see you at the top. We did it! We made it to the top. The rain's coming in, so I'm not going to spend too long here. We did it, baby! Oh my god! Check this out. Crazy! Summiting is optional. Getting down is mandatory. Let's go! So got back down to the refugee. Just experienced in the last hour about 4 seasons. The descent was pretty quick. Thunder came in, but down now having a little espresso with the guys. Cheeky bit of summit cake. We've got some of our friends joining us on the trail. Say hello. So currently 14k in. Now around the backside of the Sella mountains, and you get to see the sheer scale of these rock formations. It's crazy. I'm going to throw the drone up now in 3, 2, 1. So that was the furthest I've ever flown my drone. Risk it for a biscuit, 2,000 meters out, 500 meters up in the mountains in the Dolomites. And now we're continuing back on the trail. Just got a loop back around here, and it's a fairly straight kind of 5-6k back to the pass. But yeah, it's just been amazing so far. Hope you're enjoying the video. Final stretch. Might be able to see the van beyond the little cable, but about 40 minutes left. Back at the van, piss wet through. What a fucking amazing hike.
We made it.
Beauty.
Give it a cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
Oh, good, eh?
Salute.
Salute.
So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed. We've been chilling in Lake Garda, came over to the Dolomites, got our first 2 Dolomite peaks in, did a sick little hike, met my new Australian friends. Now we're just going to cook up some food. I've got the beers in, they're going to cook for me, and we're just going to chill for the night and then crash out. So thanks for watching. If you've watched this far, I appreciate your support. Stick around for the next video, and I will see you guys in the Dolomites on the next one. Peace.